Hey Copper Nerds, let's get this envelope set up for a new coin I just picked up. Let's get into it. So Red Henry's been selling off a bunch of coins from his collection, and this one is a really cool 1798 over 7 draped bust. It's a Sheldon 150. It's a Rarity 5. The overdate is cool. I'll step outside with you and look at that in a minute. But I don't collect draped busts, but one of my sons does. And anything that's a Red Henry collection coin I think is going to be fun in the future. So let's get an envelope set up for this coin. So here's how I set up my envelopes. I need a cotton liner, I need an ink pen, and I've gotten a stamp that I've started using on all of my envelopes. So do the stamping first here. A little ink. I put it on the inside here. That works. That's me. And I'll leave that out for now. So we have a 1798 over 7, 1 cent, Sheldon 150, Rarity 5 coin, and I got this yesterday, and it is X Red Henry. This one with the overdate's kind of fun. It looks like there's little horns on the 8, so I like to mark little Easter eggs on my stamp. So that you know what to look for. If there's a die break, I draw it on there. But in this case, the overdate looks like little horns on the 8. And let's step outside and take a look at that. Otherwise, the envelope is going to be ready. Your first fold is here. Your second fold is right about there. That way, when you put the coin in the envelope, you have a nice flat top. And once you get those organized in a box, it really does make a difference. It lets everything stand up nicely. If it's just got the one fold in it, everything is sort of like bulging out and makes your envelope kind of torpedo shape instead of nice and square. Let's step outside and take a look at those horns. So we're outside. Look for the little horns over the 8. You can kind of see them. That is the 7 cut under the 8, then the shape of the 8's a little wonky as well. But that is the overdate for the Sheldon 150. And just, you know, a pleasant brown coin. There we can see that, the horns on the 8 there as well. But a Rarity 5, so tough to find, cool variety. This one's going to go into my son's collection at some point. He'll just have to have a birthday or a Christmas or something. But, you know, when you get a chance to pick up something that the boys are going to like from someone like Red, I jump on those opportunities. And that's how I set up my envelopes. So that's what I got for this one. Just a little example of how I set up an envelope. And they really are quick and easy to access. Again, the way you retrieve your coin. Open it up, dish it a little bit, get your thumbnail there to catch your coin when it slides out, and transition it to the edges and drop them back in there. Pretty simple. Thanks for checking this one out. Feel free to hit me up in the comments. Catch you on the next one. Peace.